Standard 11th Business Mathematics, Exercise 2.1, 9th question. Resolve into partial fraction for the following. Your question is x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square. Again, it is in the format of method 2 only. The repetition is there. Okay, so x plus 3 is repeated twice. So first you will have to write x plus 3 separately, then x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, so just proceed it. Let x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square is equal to a by your first factor, that is x minus 1, plus b divided by, you have to split up this as x plus 3, that is to the power 1, okay, plus c divided by x plus 3 the whole square. So now multiplying both sides by this denominator. Okay, so x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square. So the whole thing has to be multiplied by your x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square. Okay, so your left hand side is x plus 2 into x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square. That is, this term fully you have to multiply, divided by your denominator as it is, x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square, which is equal to a into, again this term has to be multiplied, so x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square divided by this denominator, that is x minus 1. Then plus b into, again the same two terms, x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square divided by x plus 3, plus c into the same terms again, so x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square divided by x plus 3 square, that is this denominator. Okay, so now you can go for a cancellation. This x minus 1 and x minus 1 will go, so x plus 3 the whole square, x plus 3 the whole square, you can cancel it. And this side it is x minus 1 will go. Here x plus 3 the whole square, so you can cancel 1 x plus 3 with this. Here x plus 3 the whole square as it is with this x plus 3 the whole square. So the left out terms are x plus 2 here in your left hand side, it is, you have got x plus 2, so just write x plus 2, which is equal to a into, here x plus 3 the whole square, plus b into, you have got 1 x minus 1 and one more x plus 3 is there, because one only we have cancelled, so one more will be there. Okay, so plus c into 1x minus 1. So we just mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So now solving, otherwise writing the expansion. So here x plus 2 is equal to a into, this is a plus b the whole square. Okay, so a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square is x square plus 2ab is 2 3s are 6, so 6 into x is 6x, plus b square is 3 square, so it will become 9, plus b into first, just go for a multiplication, first and first second, so x into x is x square plus 3 into x is 3x, then second first and second, so it is minus x, 1 into x is minus x, then minus 1 into 3 is there, so it is 3. Now plus c into x minus 1, x plus 2, that is equal to, just multiply this a for each term. Okay, so it is ax square plus 6ax plus 9a. Again multiply this b here, so bx square, and here just do the solving and then multiply. Okay, 3x minus x will become 2x, so plus 2bx you will get. Then this minus 3 into b, so it is minus 3b, plus c into x, cx, minus c into 1. So first c into x and c into 1, so you will get it as minus. Mark this as equation 3. So now go to your equation 2. Try to give values for your x and find your variable a, b and c. Okay. So first see your first term a into x plus 3 the whole square is there. So the additive inverse of 3 is minus 3. So we'll just replace, put x is equal to minus 3 in equation 2. So here fully you will have to apply your minus 3 in the place of x, okay. So it is minus 3 plus 2, that is your left hand side, that is equal to a into, here 3x is there, so minus 3 plus 3 the whole square plus b into, again x is there, so minus 3 minus 1, again here x is there, so minus 3 plus 3 plus c into, so x is there, so minus 3 minus 1. Now we'll go for the solving. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1, which is equal to a into minus 3 plus 3 will become 0 plus b into minus 3 minus 1, when you are adding you will get minus 4, and this part it will become 0 plus c into, again you will have minus 4 here. So the next step is minus 1 is equal to, a will become 0, b also will become 0. So the left out part will be minus 4c will be there. So that implies c is equal to, minus and minus you can cancel, so 1 divided by 4 will be your answer. So therefore c is equal to 1 by 4. Next we will have to go again to your equation 2 and see the next option, okay. Already we have finished minus 3. So next is here x minus 1 is there, so we will have to go to plus 1, okay. So put x is equal to 1 in equation 2 itself again. So wherever x is there, you will have to replace your 1 over there. So here x is there, so 1 plus 2, that is your left hand side, which is equal to a into, x is there, so 1 plus 3 the whole square plus b into, again you have got x over there, so 1 minus 1 into, again one more x, so 1 plus 3 plus c into, x is here, so it will replace 1 minus 1. So next step of solving is 1 plus 2 it will become 3, that is equal to a into 1 plus 3, 4 square is there, plus b into, this will become 0, this will become 4, plus c into, again 0. So 3 is equal to a into 4 square is 16. Your b part will become 0 and c also will become 0. So only a will be left out, okay. So a is equal to 3. Take the 16 towards your left hand side, so it will come to the denominator. So your answer will be a is equal to 3 by 16. Now we have finished c and a. So b is there, so but no other options will be there, just check it. 3 is there, so we have given minus 3, and minus 1 is there, so we have given plus 1. No other numbers are there. So get back to your equation 3 and you will have to go for your equating the coefficients only, okay. So equating the coefficients of x square in equation 3. So search for your coefficient of x square. In your left hand side nothing is there, so you can give 0, that is equal to, coefficient of x square is a, so just write a and search for other coefficients of x square. So x square we have got b there, so plus b. We'll just mark this as equation 4. Already we have got the value of a here, just go for the substitution here in this equation, you will get your value of b, okay. So substitute a in equation 4. So 0 is equal to, your a value is 3 by 16 plus b. So to find your b, just take this term as it is towards your left hand side, so it will become minus 3 divided by 16. So we have got all the 3 values. C is here, a also we have got it, b is also ready. Just go for the substitution in your equation 1, that will be the last answer, okay. So substituting a, b and c in equation 1. So just write the equation as it is. X plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square is equal to a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x plus 3 plus c divided by x plus 3 the whole square. So whatever values we have got it for a, b and c, you will have to substitute it here, okay. So the left hand side will be there as it is x plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 the whole square, which is equal to your a values here 3 by 16. So 3 divided by 16 into x minus. So b is minus 3 by 16. So I'll just write minus 3 divided by 16 into x plus 3. Then your c is 1 by 4. So 1 divided by 4 into x plus 3 the whole square. So this is the answer for your 9th question.